Buongiorno! After a full day of rain yesterday, today the weather seems to be a little bit better. So today I'm going to take you to discover something incredible. Have you ever heard of the fact that the first shopping mall ever built in history is here in Rome? And that this very first shopping mall in the whole world was built in the 2nd century in ancient Rome? And can you imagine that this shopping mall is right behind me and that we're going there right now? But let's give things their proper name. These are the Trajan markets, 150 shops, 5 floors, built in the 2nd century AD. So now I'm inside the shopping mall. Here's the interior, with all the entrances to all the shops. How cool is this? And this recalls the modern shape of shopping mall today. At the moment there is an exhibition about Napoleon. I'm going to tell you why in a moment. And here you can see the full structure of the shopping mall. So these with the white frames are the shops, and here you have the 7th floor with the balcony, and here there is another corridor where other shops are, and you can see the ceiling is the structure basically recalls the modern shopping malls today. So imagine you were an ancient Roman 2000 years ago. You will enter in the shopping mall, you will enter one of the shops, and this will be one of the shops. Today, of course, you have archaeological finds that were found in the forum of Trajan. For example, this is a statue that was decorating the forum of Trajan, this as well. And here you have a reconstruction. So this is the forum of Trajan, seen from above, and these are the Trajan markets. So it's a semicircular hemicycle basically. We are inside here, and now we're going outside. So now we are on the 2nd floor. This is where I was earlier. And here on the 2nd floors also you have another series of shops, all in the same shape. And actually here from the windows we can see there is another level, same shape over here, with these white travertine frames. So far we've seen the shopping mall interior, but now we're going downstairs and explore the high streets with all the shops. In the meantime I found another terrace where you can see the Torre delle Milizie, which is a medieval tower, and right across we have one of the most beautiful terraces of Rome. Be ready! So here we have a beautiful view over Via dei Fori Imperiali, the Vittoriano monument. Forum of Caesar over here. This is the Forum of Trajan. The view here is incredible, and here we have an aerial view of the Trajan markets. So basically this was the Forum of Trajan, which had a hemicycle. Here there would be a wall, and this, you see this basalt stone street, this would be a street, and these were the shops that were facing the street, like a high street today or modern cities. To be correct, it's not 100% sure that these were actually shops selling products to people. Maybe they had administrative functions because there was no really way in and out for carriages to bring the goods. But surely from an architecture point of view, this is a precursor of modern shopping malls. Have you seen inside those cross vaults and all the way the shops are built one next to each other? I bet that if you go inside any shopping mall in your city, in your town, you will find this kind of structure. So this is basically another one of those endless examples where ancient Rome affected the way we do things today. So now let's go downstairs. The stairs are really steep, so you better be careful. And here we are. This street is called Via Biberatica. And because this street was called Via Biberatica, from the Latin biber, to drink, it was believed that this street was full of shops that were selling drinks. And the really good thing, the thing I love the most about this place is that it's like interactive. You can actually go and enter the shops as if you were in a normal shopping mall. For example, here. And then we don't know what was happening in the shop, but I'd like to imagine I don't know, someone selling, I don't know, fabrics or clothes or food. And imagine people queuing outside. Maybe here you will find tables and desks and someone keeping the money for the payments on the side. Who knows? Surely they didn't have this view in here, because here there were walls and more shops right opposite. And also like to notice the smallest things, like for example this space in here. This is probably where the door was sliding or was put in when they were closing the shops. Also, look at the basalt stones. You might wonder when you walk in here, how could they actually walk properly in such a, uneven surface? You have to consider the ancient Romans were really advanced with technology and building infrastructures. So basically these basalt stones were all even out with cement. So everything, the surface will be totally smooth. There's still some inhabitants in the Trajan markets, but this cat which is follow me all the way. And this street continues here on an L-shaped turn into this fantastic corner. This is a proper high street of shopping. And now let's continue our exploration and let's go downstairs in the corridor. So from here we take more stairs to go onto the ground level of the market of Trajan. A few more steps. You can already see the basalt stone. And here we are. How amazing is this? And in some of the shops you can also still see the mosaics of the floors. Look at this white and black tessera, and also some signs of the frescoes on the walls. And also what I like to think when I'm walking on this basalt stone street is that I'm walking on it today with my modern shoes, but guess how many ancient Roman shoes have walked on these stones almost 2000 years ago. Okay guys, it started to rain, so I really need to run back home because I am with my bike. So anyway, I even managed to make some shopping. I bought some books inside the most ancient shopping mall in the world. Now I want to know from you, what did you think about the Trajan market? Did you like it? Did you know about them? Have you heard of it? To visit the museum you pay a ticket which costs about 13 euros. However, if you are a resident of Rome and the province of Rome, or if you are temporarily domiciled or you're a student in Rome, you can actually apply for the MIC card, and this card gives you for 5 euros, yes, 5 euros for 1 year, unlimited free access to all the museums belonging to the city of Rome. Why Napoleon in the Trajan market? Because Napoleon actually ruled Rome between 1809 and 1816 and considered Rome the biggest archaeological park in the world. And it's Napoleon that in 1811 started the excavation works of the Trajan market. He was so much into ancient Rome and he actually made it part of his personal propaganda. So definitely something you cannot absolutely miss when you come and visit Rome, okay? So thanks for watching and have a great day. Ciao!